Every jar begins in the orchard. Harvest gathers under mechanical precision.
Raw ingredients begin their journey.
Cocoa arrives from distant climates.
Sweetness prepared at scale. Smooth texture begins with refined oils. All roads lead to transformation. Precision begins inside these walls.
Controlled entry ensures consistency.
From harvest to handling. This årets weekendly port mu av det säkert skidens din.
Cocoa prepares for heat. Ingredients now converge under one roof.
The first separation removes the field from the fruit. Rotation strips away remaining impurities.
Safety begins before transformation. Vision systems refine the selection. Heat awaits below. Roasting unlocks their aroma. Cooling stabilizes the flavor.
Precision pressure reveals the kernel.
Airflow separates weight from waste. Solid form begins to change. Cocoa undergoes its own transformation. Only the essential remains. Inside, ingredients begin to merge. Texture is refined with precision. Cocoa transforms into liquid richness. Measured sweetness joins the blend. Smoothness flows in controlled streams. The formula takes form.
The team is those that they quarters for insistrums, but changings into filtertum.
Consistency emerges through motion. Temperature ensures stability. Fineness defines the experience.
Time deepens the flavor.
Texture reaches its final refinement.
Now ready for packaging.
Every gram is measured without compromise.
Only perfection proceeds. Alignment ensures reliability. Security seals the promise.
Stability follows heat.
Automation handles with accuracy. Order forms within every box. Protection is secured for transport.
Traceability travels with every shipment.
Foundation is prepared below. Stability builds with precision. Secured for the journey ahead. Movement begins the next chapter. Storage follows precision. Every load finds its level. Digital records guide every move.
Demand activates the chain.
Stored energy returns to motion. The journey nears dispatch. Beyond the door lies distribution. Precision continues even in transit. Security seals the shipment. The factory's work moves outward.
From harvest to highway, the cycle continues. Behind every movement, data flows silently.
Numbers guide consistency. Precision responds in real time. Flow is controlled with discipline. Direction changes without pause. Balance must always be maintained.
Even in waiting, motion continues.
Cleanliness is programmed into the system.
Purity is maintained between batches.
Invisible power drives visible motion. Automation keeps rhythm steady. Technology binds every stage together. Final precision demands one more look. Safety remains uncompromised.
Structure forms from flat precision.
Alignment prepares the next step.
Automation handles with exact care.
Protection lies between every jar.
Verification strengthens trust. Closure completes containment. Strength is added for transit.
Information travels with the load.
Foundation awaits its cargo.
Precision builds stability layer by layer.
Before release, science confirms the promise. Every batch is examined closely. Texture must meet exact standards.
Balance defines shelf life.
Consistency is measured in detail.
Safety is verified beyond sight.
Time confirms purity. Traceability closes the loop.
Quality must satisfy every sense. Approval returns product to motion.
With validation complete, distribution resumes.
Now the final journey begins.
The final movement is set in motion.
Alignment ensures a seamless transfer. Every load finds its precise position. Security confirms the shipment. The factory's work moves beyond its walls. Distribution carries the craft forward. From precision inside to markets outside.
Order defines the final stage.
Prepared and waiting.
And this is how modern factories produce Nutella from start to finish.
From roasted hazelnuts to global shelves.
Industry transforms simple ingredients into something shared worldwide.